Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make map line animation effect in CapCut PC. So first you need to go to the media and select your map, put on the timeline. You can download any map from the Google, make it a little bit stretch. Go to the text, click on the default text, adjust according to the clip, go to the default text and type hyphens. Then go to the bottom of the basic tab. You need to click on the curves and here you can rotate according to your preferences. Adjust according to the destination where you want to apply this effect. Once you're happy with your destination, click on the shadow, decrease the opacity, and for the animation you need to click on the animation and click on the type 1 animation, and here you can increase the duration. So once you apply the animation, let's check it how it works. And here, boom. So you have done it. This is very simple and very easy. I hope you understand how you can make map line animation effects in CapCut PC. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.